Once again, I wanted to share some tips with you. This is the Porsche Turbo, designed by F.A. Porsche, Chroma Type 301, super sweet knife. Yeah, look at that edge. Now to retain that wicked sweet sharp edge, I'm only going to use 2 or 3 things. Japanese whetstone, super fine, made in Japan. Guide clip goes on the back of the knife without scratching, as well as leather strop. You can score one of these or you can make your own, doesn't matter to me. You take your knife once it's sharp and you just stroke it on the strop a few times like this, both sides. You need to put the clip on, goes right over the knife like this. Like I said, it does not scratch. You get it to the optimum point, which is about the center of your knife, and then when you put it on the stone, the knife hits only the bottom edge, and you repeat with the other side. Even strokes. Okay, you're all done. Clip comes off. Once again, leather strop. Okay. Now you're wondering, how sharp is that? I'm going to show you. Got a pile of coupons here. Let's see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 coupons, 10 pieces of paper. So you're wondering, how sharp is that turbo knife? Great sound, listen to that. Yeah, I really like the knife. So does she. There you go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor right there, and you can score all the good stuff, all the tools that you need to be successful in the kitchen. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. Keep cooking. Yeah. I'll be back with more.